So guys, we have reached Eragada showroom. Okay. Food service free. Food service should be free. First service will be 500 or 45 days. Each was early from second service 5,000 6 months. Third service 10,000 km or 1 year. Fourth service 15,000 km or 1.5 year. After that you will have paid services. And oil change like first service, third service, every alternate service will be oil change. And meanwhile, second, fourth service they will be only top up. And this is your RSA number. In case of any roadside assistance, roadside breakdown, you can contact this number. This is toll-free number throughout India. So after 24 hours, it will active, and you can call them anytime for any kind of assistance, like even medical also they will help you out. Tire pressure, with solo front 25, red 32, with pillion front 27, red 34. Fuel tank capacity will be 50 liter plus or minus half liters. Low fuel warning will be 5.5 liters. Dead stop 0.5 liters. Half liter will be the dead stop. So manual first aid toolkit will be in the vehicle. Here is the pending insurance.
One NGS
Okay.
The moment you switch it on, you will get a sound, right? So your fuel is supplying into the tank.
Any sound did it come?
The vibration you're getting. You can feel it. It gets off after 3 to 4 seconds. The moment it gets off, just don't need to raise also. That's it. Left indicator. Right indicator. Right. Fast. On. ABS off now. Again, if you switch it off and leave on, that is on. Your
Automatically
ABS,
it
you will
will
get turn on.
Okay.
This what is this? This is RPM.
This button.
This is setting. You will get trip A average.
Where is it?
Here. Trip B. Trip B average. Trip F. The moment you get trip F, it means it's in reserve.
Okay.
Below 6 liters, you will get trip F. And this is RPM.
Okay.
At every 4/3 RPM, you have to upshift. Upshift. Upshift gear. I mean, if you touch 4th gear, you have to take it to 2nd gear again. I mean, if you...
I don't understand. What is it?
See, now it has touched the 3.
Okay.
Moment it touches the 4, you have to increase the gear.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, if you are in 2nd gear, this came to 4, then you have to put it in 3rd gear.
Okay.
You shouldn't cross more than 4.
Okay.
This is compass. I will show you the North-East also. Fuel gauge. So if you download Royal Enfield app, you can get the direction, trip and navigation. You can connect it to Royal Enfield app. You download it now. You have the app now?
I don't know. I will see.
Okay. So these are hazard lamps. So in case of any emergency breakdown, you want to stop on the side of the road, you can put this up. For switching off the vehicle, first you have to switch off the fuel supply.
Okay.
Next you have to switch off this. You shouldn't switch off directly. So your tank is 14.5 liters.
Okay.
Don't fill above this level.
Above this ring. Okay.
Yeah, I mean fill it around 14 or 13.5 liters.
Okay.
Because if you fill it full, there will be air gap. So you know how to open this pannier box.
Yeah, panel box I know.
Yeah.
Check it if it is not good.
No, it's good. For tighten and loosening, this one. And these are your keys.
Okay.
You get 2 keys for every box. Same again for this. You get 2 keys for this box. These are your extenders for the indicator.
Okay.
These are.
So number plate.
Here, this is number.
Not for this. Not here.
No, not here. And these are your high reflectors.
Okay.
You can stick it here.
Only one. Two.
No, you get 2 for every box.
Okay.
You get 2, again you can stick it like this.
Keep it here.
Yeah. Hold it from down. Okay. One hand hold it from down. That's it. It got loose. Once it get loose, try to remove this. Lose it first this one, the black one. First lose the black one, and then now lose that. This
Like with the hand, huh?
yeah, with hand only. As it is a new one, it's a bit tight. Again for removing, just pull it backward and lift it.
Okay.
Now lift it. This. Again for fixing, push it down more and it works like this. Then you have to bring it like this.
Like this, huh?
Like this and tighten from here. Yeah, you got it right. Yeah. And tighten from here inside. Yeah. Same, similarly this also. You have to tighten this one also in there. Same in the same one for this model. Then locking it up. Key position.
So hazard light, how did you on?
This switch.
Just push it like this.
That's it. That's all.
I cannot put jerry can here, huh?
You can, sir. You have to drill a hole from backside
Okay.
and you can put. This is a plastic one only. This one you can remove it and you can put a jerry can.
So guys, actually I have taken the bike delivery. So this is the bike and it is a Mirage Silver. So I have given all the price details. Please, I would request you to have a look at the next video for all the accessories I have installed on this Himalayan. So this is a BS6 2021 model, and it has a tripper navigation as well. So we'll see all these things in the next video. Just to have a look at this video for bike delivery and other things. Like for me, I feel that this bike gives me immense pleasure in riding. While riding this bike, I had no issues at all. I have, though I am so afraid of height and weight of this bike, but this bike seems to be this bike actually seems to handle everything very well. I don't have to do anything. I just have to ride well. That's it. But apart from that, I didn't find any issues as of now. So the bike is so good, damn good. It was so good. I was able to ride the bike in normal traffic as well without any problem. Unlike like I had an Interceptor 650. Interceptor 650, if you watch my earlier video, I have taken delivery of Interceptor 650 only on December 2020, but I just sold it off because I was not able to handle the weight. I was not able to take the bike out of the parking itself, but I wanted a bike which which I will be able to move around places, and that is the reason I wanted a bike. And that bike should have a lot of luggage system, and it should actually be easy for me to go ahead and come back. That is the thing. And comfort is long drive comfort is my main thing. So that is the reason I have sold the bike of Interceptor 650 and purchased this Himalayan, Royal Enfield Himalayan 410cc. And overall this bike costed me, I have given all the cost details previously, please check that. And this bike is so easy. It handles the weight. I'm able to handle the weight and height. Okay, so Interceptor 650, it was same weight as well as height, but I was not able to handle Interceptor 650 because of the height and weight. I don't know what is the reason, but in this bike I'm able to go ahead without any problem. So this is my review about this Himalayan so far as of now, the day of delivery. Like this is the review from my point of view on the day of delivery. So I will keep you guys posted about how the bike is, and how do I feel, what are the problems I face. All these things I will discuss with you guys. So please connect with me, and please stay tuned and watch out all my videos. And in case if you feel if you think that if you think that you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be posting a lot of videos regarding long rides, Himalayan accessories, bike rides, technologies, unboxing. All these things will be there in this channel. So I request you to please consider subscribing. Definitely you will not regret it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.